tender-headed. Oh shit. What's poppin', YouTube? It's the girl Niniee.c back again, as you can see, of course. As you can tell by the title, today I am redoing the top of my hair. So I had it in this style. I'll post it like right here or something. I had it in that style, and I think it's time to redo it. I'm gonna choose a different style. I was looking at pics on Instagram and I came up with this pic. I'm also gonna post it like right here. And yeah, I thought I'd give it a try on my hair. So I took out the top, I left the back. As you can see, the back is like individuals. I did this part too. Individuals is pretty long, so I'm gonna just redo the front like the picture. And y'all gonna help me or watch me or just keep me company, you know, keep me company. Just keep watching, enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any other video that I post. Join the JC gang, become one of us. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I got all of the 3 sections parted. Now all I have to do is part the braids and start braiding, pretty much. I'm gonna start off with this section over here just because I want to. That's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna look over here in the mirror and part that. So I'm gonna start off with the biggest braid, the longest braid first, and make a nice even part. Yo, I'm gonna make ugly faces. Y'all better not laugh at me. Got the part, we got the part. I hate doing my edges, like the edges of my head. Just be feeling weird pulling the edge of your hair, not the middle, just one part of your hair. That should be feeling so weird to me. Alright, so we got it. Tail up. Gotta split it. So after you get it all parted and stuff, get some edge control. This is the one I'm using. I don't know if y'all want to see it or if y'all even care, but that's the edge control I'm using. Grab some on my finger. It's almost done. And then put that hair up, push that hair up out the way. Some edge control. Put it on one side. Can y'all see? Get some more. just like even it out through the hair. Then you're going to make sure that's separated. Separate the front. Part it in 3. And then start braiding. Fuck. Y'all, how I be tender-headed doing my own shit. Comment down below how you think it's looking so far. I got 5, 6, 7, 8 more. Alright, what's poppin'? Me in the bathroom with it. Today is a new day. It is now 11. Dang. I need to hurry up. It is 11 o'clock, Saturday, May 28th. The next day. Anyway, so as you can see, I redid the top. So the back is still looking rusty, dusty, crusty. But the front, anyway, okay, like it. We're gonna do the finishing touches. So I'm going to grab my hair and comb through. And then once I comb it all out, I cut off the bottom part because I don't like when it be hanging like long strings. So look all nice and smooth. Oh, so I got water, it's hot water. And I got me a bowl. I told you she got other products. She is bomb. Slick and Slay foam. So you get you some foam, shake it up, and then put it all up in the water. Get a towel, wrap it around you. Alright, don't leave it in there for too long. Okay. Try. So I be having this problem sometimes where it comes out all crunchy. So I just re-dip the ends. And it comes out straight. Get you a rag. Gonna dip it in the water. Put it on top of your head. It might burn a little bit, but it'll be good. It'll be good. You know, it's molding the hair to stay in the braid. Keep that for a little more. After that part, you're pretty much done. You just need to like lay your edges. Oh wait, no. You have to oil your scalp too. Why do I feel like I look hella dark? Just because I can't see myself. But I'm barely talking because I'm just trying to get this done. I didn't think this was gonna take 20 minutes and I'm freaking hungry. Niniee.c again. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I didn't like record all of the parts of me braiding because I thought that would just be boring. So yeah, I just showed you guys like the design part that I did, and I showed y'all how I did my edges and all that good stuff. But yeah, sometimes I'll be doing my own hair and I don't feel like wanting other people to do my hair because just for certain reasons, different reasons every time, honestly. But this is the end result of my video. I honestly feel like the video does not do the braids as much justice as it does in person. But that's besides the point. I really like it. Comment down below, rate it 1 out of 10. Rate. Do you like it? Should I put some color in it? You like my little swoops? You like the design? You like the lane? Anyway, yeah, tell a friend about a friend, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, my name is Niniee, and I'll have you feed me for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.